CorPath GRX is the second-generation robotic system for cardiovascular interventions. The CorPath system offers the physician robotic control of the guide catheter, guide wire, and balloon stent catheter from the protection of the radiation-shielded cockpit. As with a traditional intervention, the physician gains access manually. In preparation for CorPath, the physician attaches the drive gear to the Y connector and then connects the guide catheter. With CorPath's bedside unit draped, the scrub staff employee moves the extended reach arm into position. You can now see the single-use cassette mounted on the robotic drive, which is where the interventional devices will be loaded. The physician loads the guide catheter into the single-use cassette using the fine-tuned controls on the robotic drive. With the guide catheter securely in place within the cassette, the physician pulls the guide support track over the guide catheter, securely attaching it to the introducer sheath. This guide support track supports the guide catheter as it is being advanced and retracted within the patient's anatomy. Once the guide catheter is in position, the physician can now remove his lead and sit down within the radiation-shielded cockpit. From here, sitting less than 2 feet away from the CorPath's Power Vision monitor with enhanced visualization, the physician will drive the devices and perform the intervention. The scrub staff is now ready to load the devices. The bedside touchscreen provides step-by-step instructions to streamline workflow throughout the case. Once the devices are quickly loaded into the cassette, the intervention is ready to begin. With the guide wire position locked in place within the cassette, the scrub staff adjusts the radiation shield to maximize her radiation protection and steps away to minimize her radiation exposure. The physician can advance, retract, and rotate the guide wire in order to cross the targeted lesion. As necessary, devices can be quickly exchanged by the scrub staff throughout the procedure. The physician can reposition the guide catheter using the guide catheter control joystick located on the control console. When the procedure is completed, the scrub staff follows the instructions on the bedside touchscreen to end the case by removing the devices from within the single-use cassette.